Now we'll see the MCQ for next chapter, current electricity. In this chapter, we have studied the definitions for current, voltage, Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's current law, its sign conventions, Kirchhoff's voltage law, its sign conventions. Then we have seen the theory regarding the Wheatstone network and calculation for unknown resistors using balanced network. Then potentiometer, length of the potentiometer, potential gradient per unit length of the potentiometer wire and its a calculation, sum and difference method for potentiometer wire as an application, and voltmeter ammeter, conversion of voltmeter into ammeter, conversion of voltmeter into ammeter, and it's a connection of resistance in a series combination and parallel combination with the resistance of galvanometer, how that voltmeter converted into ammeter, that we have seen in this chapter. You have to keep in mind all the formulas related to this chapter, current electricity, all the derivations and all the formulas you have to write on your book, then only you are able to find the answers using the given MCQs. So let us start the MCQs for current electricity. First MCQ. In the given current distribution, what is the value of I? Current distribution, what is the value of I? So they have given here one diagram. This is the network. Like this. This current I, this current 4, this current is 2, this current is 5, this current through this particular wire it is 3. So such type of figure is given to you. What is the value of I passing through the particular network? So how to find this value of I using Kirchhoff's current law, voltage law? Current law, voltage law, we know algebraic sum of current. Okay, entering is equal to leaving the network, and in voltage law E plus IR is equal to 0. Also we know the potential gradient formula. There was one potential gradient formula, that potential gradient delta V is equal to E upon R plus RH plus internal resistance into R by L. So this is the new potential gradient formula. This is required for solving the MCQs. And Kirchhoff's current law, voltage law, already you know how many currents are entering towards the network. This is first current entering towards the network, second current entering towards the network, and third current entering towards the network. Leaving the network, fourth and fifth. These are leaving the network. Current law, entering is equal to leaving. Options 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 5 ampere and 8 ampere. How many currents are entering? I plus 4 plus 2 is equal to how many currents are leaving? 5 plus 3. Therefore I plus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore I is equal to 8 minus 6. I is equal to 2 ampere. I is equal to 2 ampere. So this is current across this particular network. I is equal to 2 ampere. So option A 2A, option B 3A, option C 5A, option D it is a 8A. So option A is the correct option for MCQ number 1. Okay. Next, a 2 volt battery. 2 volt battery, it is said to be EMF E. Okay. A 15 ohm resistor and potentiometer of 100 centimeter length. Okay. EMF, it is 2 volt, 15 ohm resistor, means R is equal to 15, and potentiometer of 100 centimeter length. Length of the potentiometer, you can take small l or capital L, no problem. It is L is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. connected in series. If resistance of potentiometer wire is 5 ohm, resistance of potentiometer it is said to be 5 ohm. The resistance of potentiometer it is said to be 5 ohm. Then potential gradient of potentiometer wire is option A, it is said to be 0.2, option B it is 0.02, option C 0.05 and option D 0.005. तो या केसमध्ये इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स काय आहे 0 आहे. पोटेन्शियल ग्रेडियंटचा फॉर्म्युला कीप इन माइंड. पोटेन्शियल ग्रेडियंट डेल्टा V that is said to be potential per unit length is said to be potential gradient. Potential per unit length is said to be potential gradient. Its formula it is E upon R plus RH, resistance of potentiometer plus internal resistance again R by L. Okay, so E is equal to, it is 2 upon 15 plus 5, internal resistance is 0, R by L it is 15 by 100. Now one thing is here, length it is given in the centimeter, but they are given options are volt per centimeter, so no need to convert centimeter into meter. Options are in centimeter, so you have to keep in mind here is equal to 100 centimeter. So it is 2 by 20 into 15 by 100, so it is 30 by 2000. So option is given as a 2 by 20, 15 by 100, 3 by 200, it is 0.20, it is 10, 3 by 100, 3 by 200, correct it is. So 1.5 upon 100, so it is 0.1.5 upon 100. They have given the option, it is 0.05. 15 by 1.5 into 10 raised to 2 goes to numerator becomes 10 raised to minus 2. So 1.5, each value किती आहे, it is 2, correct. Each value is 2. Length सेंटीमीटर, मीटर मध्ये कन्वर्ट, ऑप्शन्स पण सेंटीमीटर मध्ये दिलेले आहे त्या केस मध्ये. लेंथ ऑफ द लेंथ in one case 100 centimeter in length. What happened? Let us see whether it is converted into meter. If it is converted into meter, okay. If it is converted into meter, let us see what happened here. Converted into meter, so it is a 2 by 20. Resistance it is 15 by 1. It is 15 by 1. Resistance R plus RH, resistance of potentiometer. This is resistance of potentiometer. It is 5. What is 15? 15 is said to be potential. 15 is said to be potentiometer of length 15 centimeter length, whose resistor is 15 ohm. Connected in series, the resistance of potentiometer wire is a 5 ohm. So resistance of potentiometer wire it is 5. So this is the resistance of potentiometer 5. Correct it is. It is 10. So 5 by 10 it is 0.5. If it is 0.5 when it is in a meter, what happens if it is in a centimeter? It is said to be 0.05 in a centimeter. पर सेंटीमीटर असेल, पर मीटर असेल तर 0.5, सेंटीमीटरमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं असेल तर 0.05. का? कारण ऑप्शन कशामध्ये आहे? सेंटीमीटरमध्ये आहे. त्यामुळे 0.5/10 0.5 पर सेंटीमीटर पर मीटर. सेंटीमीटरमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं म्हटलं तर 5/10 इट इज 0.5 पर सेंटीमीटर आहे. पर सेंटीमीटर पर मीटर आहे आन्सर हे. आणि ऑप्शन्समध्ये पर सेंटीमीटर दिले म्हणजे कसं करणार? 0.005 का 100 डिवाइड करणार. मग हे आन्सर कसं येणार आहे? पर सेंटीमीटर. बिकॉज 1 मीटर इज हाऊ मेनी? इट इज 10⁻². म्हणजे काय? 0.5ला 10⁻², म्हणजे 100 जर डिवाइड केलं तर काय येणार आहे? 0.005 पर सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन डी, 0.005. Next, the resistivity of iron is 1 × 10⁻⁷ ohm meter. The resistance of iron wire of particular length and thickness is 1 ohm. If the length and diameter of wire both are double, length double केली, diameter double केला, the resistivity in ohm. The resistivity in ohm is, resistivity चा फॉर्म्युला काय? Rho is equal to RA/L. रेजिस्टन्सवर डिपेंड आहे, एरियावर डिपेंड आहे आणि लेंथवर डिपेंड आहे. व्हॉट दे सेड हियर? लेंथ डबल आणि डायमीटर डबल. रेजिस्टिव्हिटी विल बी, रेजिस्टिव्हिटी इज इंडिपेंडंट ऑफ शेप ऑफ द मटेरियल. डिपेंड्स ऑन एरिया, लेंथ आणि रेजिस्टन्स ओनली, इंडिपेंडंट ऑफ शेप. ओके. त्यामुळं जी काही आयर्नची रेजिस्टिव्हिटी होती 1 × 10⁻⁷, जरी त्याची लेंथ डबल केली, डायमीटर डबल केला, तर रेजिस्टिव्हिटी काय असणार आहे? सेमच असणार आहे. लेंथ डबल केली, एरिया म्हणजेच काय? πr², बरोबर आहे का? आणि आर आणि डायमीटरमध्ये रिलेशन आहे. ओके. डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2r ना. रेडियस डबल झाली, लेंथ पण डबल झाली, पण रेशो काय झाला? तो झाला, कॉन्स्टंट आला. त्यामुळे रेजिस्टिव्हिटी काय असणार आहे? फिक्स असणार आहे. सो रेजिस्टिव्हिटी बिकम्स 1 × 10⁻⁷. लेंथ डबल, डायमीटर डबल, डबल डबल झालं, परत ते कॅन्सल झालं. त्यामुळे रेजिस्टिव्हिटीची व्हॅल्यू जी होती तीच असणार आहे. सो इट इज सेड टू बी कॉन्स्टंट व्हॅल्यू. सो ऑप्शन डी, ऑप्शन ए 8 × 10⁻⁷, बी 4 × 10⁻⁷, सी 2 × 10⁻⁷, and D 1 × 10⁻⁷. So option D is the correct option, 1 × 10⁻⁷. Two wires made up of two different materials whose specific resistance, okay, specific resistance are in the ratio 2:3. Specific resistance ρ1:2, ρ2, it is 2:3, and length 3:4. Length L1/L2, it is 3:4, and area 4:5. Area A1/A2, it is 4:5. Ratio of their resistance, it is R1/R2 that we are going to calculate. Okay. Resistivity formula काय? Rho is equal to RA/L. ऑप्शन्स काय आहेत? 1:2, 5:8, 6:8, 6:5. Therefore R is equal to rho L upon A. R1 is equal to rho1 A1 upon rho1 L1 upon A1. R2 rho2 L2 upon A2. Therefore R1 upon R2 काय येणार आहे? R1 upon R2 ρ1/ρ2 येणार ना, L1/A2 येणार ना, L1/L2 येणार ना, आणि एरिया कसा होणार आहे? A2/A1. ρ1/ρ2 2s/3, L1 by L2 3s/4, A1 by A2 4s/5, so A2 by A1 5s/4. Okay, so it is 5 by 8, therefore R1 by R2 is equal to 5s/8. R1 by R2 is equal to 5s/8. So option B is correct. The ratio of their resistances are 5s/8. But you have to keep in mind the formula, resistivity rho is equal to RA by L. ठीक है. So next MCQ. Potentiometer wire of length 1 meter, okay, is connected in series with a 490 ohm resistance. Okay, 490 ohm resistance and 2 volt battery. If 0.2 millivolt per centimeter is the potential gradient, then resistance of potentiometer wire is delta V, potential gradient, is equal to E upon R plus RH plus R into R by L. Okay, what is given? Potential gradient 0.2 millivolt per centimeter. Okay, 0.2 millivolt per centimeter म्हणजे 0.2 milli means 10 raised to minus 3 per centimeter converted to meter -2, so we will get volt per meter. So that is the potential gradient first. Okay, length 1 meter, length is said to be 1 meter in series with a 490. So RH is equal to 490 ohm. 490 ओहम हा सिरीज मध्ये कनेक्ट केला आहे, लक्षात ठेवा, पोटेन्शियोमीटर वायरला, अँड 2 वोल्ट बॅटरी. सो EMF E इज इक्वल टू 2 वोल्ट बॅटरी. What to find? Resistance of potentiometer wire. So R we are going to find out here. So delta V is equal to, ऑप्शन सांगायचे राहिले बघा, 7.9, 6.9, 5.9 and 4.9 ओहम. E upon R प्लस RH प्लस इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स काय झिरोच आहे, त्यामुळे तो ही जी व्हॅल्यू ही झिरो होणार आहे, R बाय L. सो इट इज सेड टू बी R बाय L. किती आहे पोटेन्शियल ग्रेडियंट? 0.2, मी डायरेक्ट असं लिहितो बघा, 2 इंटू 10 रेज टू -3 अपॉन 10 रेज टू -2. ई किती आहे? बॅटरी 2. R यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड प्लस RH जो सिरीजमध्ये कनेक्ट केला आहे, किती आहे तो? 490. इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स काय? 0. इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स इज सेड टू बी 0. R we are going to find and length is said to be 1. Okay, so this 2 into 10 raised to -2 goes to numerator, it becomes +2. So 10 raised to -1 is equal to 2R upon R plus 490. Okay, so this 2 into 10 raised to -1, 2R plus 490 is equal to 2R. 10 raised to -1, I can transfer here. 10 raised to -1 goes to numerator, becomes +1, that is a 10. So I can write here 20R. It is 2R plus 490R. After solving, therefore 492R 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 2 upon r plus 490. Is it 490? Yes, it is said to be 490 into r by l. Length is said to be 1, that we have kept here. Internal resistance is said to be 0. 0.2 10 raised to minus 3, 2 upon r plus 490. Correct it is. So this 2r upon 20r 490r is equal to 20r 490 2.5. something we are going to change here. X is equal to 0.2 means 2 into raised to minus 3 upon minus 2 2 upon 490. तर काय कॅल्क्युलेशन करायला राहिले बघा. हे इकडे घेतलं 2r plus 490 2r into 10 raised to minus 2 10 raised to minus 2 या केसमध्ये डिस्कस करायचं राहिले बघा. ओके, दॅट विल सी हिअर. So till this stage steps are correct. Okay, let us make one change here for the step. 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 2r. 2r into 10 raised to minus 2 upon r plus 490. Okay, r plus 490. 10 raised to minus 3. This is 2r 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, correct it is. So I can write like this 10 raised to minus 2 r upon r plus 490 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this 2 gets cancelled. 10 raised to minus 3 upon 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to r upon r plus 490. So 10 raised to minus 1 is equal to r upon r plus 490. r plus 490 is equal to r upon 10 raised to minus 1. r plus 490 is equal to 10r. Okay, therefore 490 is equal to 10r minus r is equal to 9r. Therefore r is equal to 490 upon 9. Okay, it is 5.4. It is said to be 5.4. So let us see which option is closest to this figure. 7.9, 6.9 and it is said to be 5.4. So nearest figure it is said to be 5.44. Option C 5.9 ohm. Okay, 5.9 ohm. So this is the correct option. Next one, calculate the amount of charge flowing in a 2 minutes. Okay, time is said to be 2 minutes in a wire of resistance 10 ohm when potential difference of 20 ohm. म्हणजे time दिलाय 2 minutes, resistance 10 ohm and potential difference is said to be 20 ohm is applied between ends. Option A 240 coulomb, 120 coulomb, 20 coulomb and it is 4 coulomb. Current charge flowing in a 2 minutes. Calculate charge flowing in a 2 minutes. 2 minutes मध्ये चार्ज काढायचा आहे. ओहम्स लॉ जर यूज केला तर I is equal to V by R. पण करंट काय? करंट म्हणजे Q by T, rate of flow of charge, is equal to V by R. Q is equal to Vt by R. Okay. Potential difference 20 time 2 minutes, because let us see whether to convert it to second, because they are directly given in a coulomb. Let us see if we put here value for directly 2 minutes for time. Time is said to be 2, resistance 10 ohm. It is said to be 240, means we have to convert that time into second. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 60. Okay, 120 seconds. Therefore Q is equal to डायरेक्ट आपण घेतो बघा Vt by, हे मिनिट्स मध्ये आन्सर आले आहे, लक्षात घ्या. 20 into 120 upon 10, 240. Q is equal to 240 coulomb. So option A is 240. In minute it is 4. In seconds it is said to be 240 coulomb, because they are given options in a directly coulomb. They are not asked here whether to convert it from minutes to the seconds. So we have calculated for minute also, we have calculated for seconds also, and they have given the option 240 coulomb, means they have converted minutes into seconds. So option A is the correct option. Okay, so we can stop here. Next MCQ we will see is the method. Thank you.